believe that's Chris. Can't really tell. Pretty far away. Standing in a pile of duck shit off the dock. Old duck shit dock. Oh, stand back. Hide the kids. Here she comes. No way. God, I only had it up to 52. Today, I didn't want to say anything. You got the 55? Yeah. Yeah, it'll go to 55 and flash to 55. You're the hero. I had it to 52. We'll have to edit this part because she doesn't need to know that. You know why? Probably because that one hasn't ever been wrapped out yet. That one's probably not even broke in. Huh? That one's probably not broke in. Emily and Chris drive it. Got to break it in. Got to abuse it. You're gonna race. Uh-oh. Here we go. So you go, she's gone, Chris. Oh, go, okay. This ain't even close. Chris, you might as well head back and say you got lost. She's gone. He's still right here. Actually, I think he caught up with her. Oh well, she won. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. Hey, you want to see all the duck shit? Say hi. Makes me want to take a shit. Just kidding. Duck shit. Big fucking ducks, man. That ain't duck shit. I've seen my dog done shit that big.